How to change aspect ratio in Sora 2. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily customize it. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the bottom, there's a button called Create. Simply tap on Create and on the top, tap on Image to Video. So, it's up to you and the customization that you're doing. Here, if you slowly scroll down, there's a section called Aspect Ratio. Here on the right hand side, there's a drop down button too. Simply tap on this drop down button. Now you can customize it accordingly. So here there are different options available. Simply select the one that you want to switch into. So here I've tapped on one. Now you can enter the prompt and it will be generated accordingly. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.